Thank you for supporting the Wisconsin Public Library. My name is Isabel Bombardier. I'm the tech trainer, and I'm so glad to have you here. It's always fun to showcase Canva. So for everybody to know, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva free subscription and how to use some of the templates we have created for you. And then you can email it to me, and then in about 2 weeks, you can pick up your prints. So we're gonna have them print in this paper here in the library for free. We have a limited amount of cards, so please send us your card by March 30th. And we have a limited amount per class. It says 10, but it could be more or less of that, but at least 10 we're gonna try. So send me your card, and I'm gonna teach you how to send me that card that you make and you customize, and to me by email by the end of the month, and you can start picking them up after April 5th. And we have limited supplies, so the faster you get it to us, the faster we can sign you up on the list for printing. So any questions about that? I'm looking at my chat, so that's why if you see me moving, it's because I have 2 screens. So I'm waiting to see if you have any pictures. So anyway, so I just want to let you know and repeat that we're going to be using the Canva free, and you can send us your customized business card at the end of the class or anytime before March 30th to me. And the email, you should have it either if you got, you have at least 10 cards. We have limited supply, so we have a couple of this, and so we're gonna give first in, first out. So the first people that get us their templates, we're gonna make the best effort to print everybody's. But if we can only give 10, at least 10 per attendee. And if, of course, if there are only 2 or 3 people who send me the cards, we can make more cards. If you want to buy, we can talk about where you can buy them. So that's a good question. So remind me, I'll talk about that too. So let's go and do what we're gonna do today. And I'm gonna show you how to sign up for the free Canva account. I'm gonna show you how to get your templates that we made for you from our Padlet. And I'm gonna put the Padlet on the chat so you can click on it and open it in your computer. And this whole program is going to be recorded in Facebook and YouTube, so you can access it as soon as I finish. So if you need to re-watch it, yeah, awesome. So, and there is a lot of people who will re-watch this that have told me that couldn't attend. So thank you all of you who re-watch or watch our content on YouTube or Facebook. We love that. So when you get the template, you customize your card. I'm going to show you how to put your name, your email, your address, anything you put on your business card. I'm going to show you a trick. I always like to show tricks. So I have this new trick to put texture on the letter. So it's something additional you can have in your design. Also, how you can add pictures. And if we have time, I show you how to use stock picture. And the most important thing will be how to download them and share it with me so I can print it or with anybody else. like for example, a print shop. And we're going to talk about print shops. Okay, so any questions, let me know. I'll keep looking at my chat on the right. So that's why you see me going on the side. Looks like I'm not paying attention, but I am. So let me realign all my screens. Okay, wonderful. And one of the things I just want to let you know, I'm using a Mac computer. It's a Mac monitor, so it has a wonderful resolution. So if you get this at home and it doesn't have the same shade that you see here on the video, it's because your screen on your device that you're using is different than mine. But when it prints, that's why we do a print. So the idea is that you get a print here with our good printer here, the library, that is going to have a very good colors. And then you decide you want to have them professionally print. So I'm going to send you at the end of this class all the places where you can get professionally printed. You can buy them from Canva, or you can go to Staples, CVS, and get them, or send them online and print them. They have a better printers that we have here at the library. So if you are concerned about professional look, about the finish quality, you might want to go to one of those professional printers that have awesome printers that can print all kind of details. So, but you can print them here and see if that's what you like. And maybe that's what we do here in the library is good enough and it's free. So before you make an investment, you can try it here in the library and see how they look like. And maybe, you can come back later and try another template. So you know how it works before you spend all the investments into a professional printer. So you can also come to the library and get them print here, and you can pay at the desk. And we're open, so we're open, so you can come here, stop by, and the librarians here at the customer service can help you print it. Okay, so everybody should be able to now get the Padlet. So this is called a Padlet. It's like the class handout. And these are the different templates I made. I made templates. Anyone can click on any of these and use them for themselves. So first, I'm going to show you how to make a Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can get a free Canva account. You just Google Canva, or you go and type on the browser canva.com, and it's going to take you to this website that you see here. And you're going to see here on the upper right of the screen a button that says sign up. You will need an email address. So have it just handy because you're going to need your email address. And when you see these terms, and just say got it. And we click sign up. And then it's going to, if you have a Google, that's fine. I always use my Google email, but some people do not have Google. And some people have Facebook and they remember, I don't remember my Facebook password, but some people might know them. Otherwise, you can sign up with your email. So you can put your name and put your email, put your password, and then you get started. Once you get started, it should take you to a free website. It's working. And then you can put personal. And then when you get here, where it says here, try for 30 days, just ignore it. This is just a way for Canva to let you know, hey, we have this trial. Please consider our trial. But you're going to say maybe later. That doesn't mean that it's not going to come back. It just means just maybe later. And you go to the free account. So there it is. You are in the free one. So that's how you bypass the version of the where they ask you if you want to pay. So you can click one of these invitation. So I just click invitation so it goes away. And there it is. So now you are in Canva. You have an account, and it'll say here your initials that you enter for your name. And here it is. So this is the free account. There is nothing that you have to pay for it. There is a Try Canva Pro, and you don't need it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this, put it away, and I'm gonna go to my account. So if you have, so any questions about that? Okay, so now we can go to our Padlet called Design Your Own Business Card with Canva, and you can choose any of these templates. So anybody likes any template? If not, I'll choose one. But we have a couple templates. I have here some stock pictures. We have, so for cards, you want something that represents your business, represents what you're trying to sell, represents a way to introduce yourself either to people who you would like to know that what you do or what you're selling, or maybe you just want to make a card to give it to your friends or people that you meet. And some people do have cards for networking. So before you design a card, you need to decide what is this card for, how are you going to use it, and that's going to inform you how to make the design. So I have here examples. This is a mural artist, so that's why I made it colorful. You can, if you have a business, you might want to include like a pool business. You might want to include pictures that represent your business. So it's like a presentation to others, a quick snapshot, a quick introduction to show others what you're capable to do. If you are in plumbing, maybe some art, some icon that represents plumbing. This one is for, I think it's a makeup artist, so you can be more creative with your design. There are other ones here. This is for, these are more calligraphy, kind of more conservative, but it's also very nice. This is one for, let's try this one. This is for a black, and it's a contrast. It's very simple, but it has a little sample of what you do to give an image of what you can do. So let's try this one. You can download it or you can open it in a new window. So I'm gonna open it in a new window. And then, oh, sorry. So you're gonna click, you don't click on the picture like I just did. You only click in the picture to see a preview. To go to the template, go here where it says follow this link to use the template. So you're gonna go click here. Let me make this bigger so you all can see it. So you're gonna go here where it says link, and that's where it's gonna open the template for Canva. So you click here, and it's gonna ask you to sign into Canva. I'm signing as this one. No, why it didn't sign me in? So let's see. So okay, let me in. So it's gonna ask you how you want to sign in. Let me check 1 second and make sure. So that's where you're gonna sign in as, see, I don't want to go sign in. So you want to make sure you're signing in here. to be able to open that. So it opens. You're not going to have this problem because I just have a lot of Canvas accounts, so you're not going to have this problem because this is so just ignore this, and it's going to say use template. And if you come up, if that comes up for you, just choose your account, and if not there, just ignore it like I just did. Okay, any questions so far? So you please see if you can open any of this template, and if you have any trouble, let me know. So for example, I can open this template, and I can use template. Okay, so let's try this too. So for example, if you want to put a name here, you can customize it. So this is already, we're going to print, we can only print one-sided on this paper. On our printer, we can only print one-sided. So I only chose templates who were blank-sided. So you're going to have here on the left, these are templates. I will ignore it unless you want to change the template, but for now, I'm going to ignore it. This is, you have here text, and you can click on the text, and you can change it. So you can change the name. So I'm just going to click here, and then double click until it's highlighted. So let me do it again. I'm going to click once. I have a mouse with the right hand. I'm right-handed, so if you're left-handed, you have to do the opposite. And I use this finger and right here. So I don't use any other finger. So you just try to right-click, or you right-click. There it is. And then we're going to write our name. So I'm going to put Isabel. And it'll pick up the same formatting that we had before, the same color, everything. Then you can change this if you want to do it. You can change the phone number. So you can select. It's kind of like if you're familiar with Word, you can change it. And of course, you can change the company. So maybe we want to put this Inc. Or we want to spray on happiness, or change it. So if it gets too big, then we get a table at a box. And you see this box, and the box has these little handles, and you can move them and resize the box. So you can hover over it, and let me make this bigger, more bigger. No, it won't go bigger. It won't go bigger. But you're gonna see this arrow with a 2 arrow, and you're gonna hover, and that's your indication that you can resize the box. So you're gonna hold it with your mouse and your this finger here. You're gonna hold it, and there it is. So you can also, there is a cross, and then you can move it, and you're gonna see, I don't know if you can see the purple lines. Those purple lines are guides that Canva creates for you to help you measure and be aware of the spacing. So you can do that, or you can just delete it and make it. And you can also undo. So there is a button here at the top, and you can undo, and it's going to take you to the original. So if you make a mistake, you can just undo. So you can change also here. I can put ink, and I can also move it. When I click on the box, there is this cross right underneath, and you can move it. And you're gonna see that those purple lines are gonna help you with the alignment. Okay. You can, if you want to change the colors, Canva is excellent for this and the pairing of the palette. So you can click, this is a background, and that's why we have black. I go here and click on the text, and you see the color on the text color is yellow. So that means that that goes with that text, and also here. And here, this is white, and you're gonna see the text color is gonna be here white. Also, you can open, when you click the text color, the window with all the text details are gonna show up on the left. So if I get here, you see the purple border means that that's the chosen color. If I hover to the name, it's gonna move to the yellow. And then if I hover to the background, where it says here background color, you're gonna see this color. And you see that it tells you these little codes. So this color is hashtag 0000, and that tells you this different. It might look on the screen the same color, the same black, but actually what is matter is the code. Oh, I'm losing my internet. Okay, I'm back. So when you work in Canva, like it's just happening that my internet is a little fluctuating. So the connection with the Canva is telling me here that I might lose any safe word. That means like the connection to the site. But what it is you're gonna see here that is safe. So I'm gonna refresh this. And it's gonna say here, all changes saved. So you don't have to click save anywhere. As soon as you type and make any changes, it'll automatically change. So I can put here, I can change the color of this to something else. I can change it. I'm just gonna pick up a color here. And it's gonna say here, all changes saved. You don't have to change it. You can get out of here. And then it's going to say here, recent designs. And then you want to click on it. And it should be changed. See, it's already changed. And then if you don't like it, you can go back here. And the good thing is that when you click the text, you're going to see a palette of colors. And this palette, of course, is document colors, are the colors that are showing up on your artwork. So you can go back and forth between that. And I got this little icon here that you see, this spray. You can go here to elements on the left, click elements, and you're gonna get a bunch of cool things. So for example, I put glitter, and you can choose one of these. Some of this, it says you have to pay, but sometimes you find one is free. For this class, do not worry. If you like one is pay, I think we can make it happen to print it. That means that if you choose something that is pro, you're gonna have to, when it prints, it'll say Canva on the watermark. But do not worry, if you want something like this on your car, it shouldn't be a problem for us. So let me find one that is free. No. Okay, let me go back and choose something that I recently used that might be free. There it is. I have one free here. Let's see. No. Yeah, that's the problem. That's why they want you to buy these. So some of these are gonna be free. See, these ones that they're giving you suggestions are gonna be free. So you can choose one of these. You can choose this, and then you can change the color. Let's change the color to white. And this is just an example, but we don't want to put something that it says close. But let's choose something else. Maybe something like this. And you can move it around. And this one is free. And you can also change the color. So that's a little design if you wish to do it. It's up to you. So you do what you think is best. So you can also rotate it. And you can also make it smaller or bigger. And you can also move it. And you go by the lines, the purple lines. Okay, that's good. Then when you're done, if this is something that you feel comfortable and you want us to print it here at East Branch Public Library, you want us to print it, what you're gonna do is you're going to send me a link. So for example, let me get the other one, because you're all gonna have the other one. Where did it go? There it is. So to send it to me, what you're gonna do is let's make this. So you click here, set all your designs, and you don't have anything. So let's do one. And I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna copy paste the link, and I'm gonna put it here. No, it's not. Yeah, it's gonna work. So I use template, and if you change this, and also when you are new, they give you all this help. So if I'm gonna put here James, and you like this card and you're ready to send it to me, the best thing is like you change this to edit right here, and you're gonna send me a link. So just copy the link, and then you can put it on your email. And you're gonna put it here on your email, and you're gonna send it to myself, and then you can put here your last name, and you can write here anything that you would like me to know about your card. So you can put here your business card for James, and maybe there is something you want to tell me, you can tell me. Otherwise, you can just send it to me like that. And when I get it, I can do what I need to do to order to print it. So like, for example, this one, I just click and I'll get it here. So let's try that. Hopefully technology cooperates with us. So yes, when you're ready to send it to me, just click share and make sure you can edit and copy the link. And if you have any trouble, I'll send an email to everybody to know how to do this. So we already saw how to customize your cards. So I hope you all can customize your card and put your name and your phone number and all that nice stuff. And let's try one with the to add the texture to the letters. So what I'm gonna do here, so this one, I put a texture. Let me make it bigger. So I got a picture of a silver sheet, like a silver sheet, a silver paper that has been a little bit wrinkled, and then I put it in as a texture to this. So the way you do this, I have here on the Padlet, I got a stock picture, this is the stock picture I got. I got it out of Pixabay. Pixabay is a site where you can get stock picture for free. So I downloaded, and then I downloaded it to my computer, and then I went to Canva, and you're gonna see this on the left. It says upload, and I uploaded the picture. So you can do upload media and device, and you can bring a picture from your computer, and you can choose it, and then click open, and then you can use any image that you have. And that's the way you're gonna add pictures to your cards. So where did my picture go? Okay, so for this one, I just took this picture that I have. I just click on it, I upload it. I got it from Pixabay and then upload it here. And then I moved it to the corners, and you can see there is alignment with the guides. Then I go here to positions, and I send it backwards, and then backwards again, and then there it is. So that's how I sent it in the back, and you can move it a little bit to get it all aligned. To do letters, if you want these letters different, you're gonna go here to elements, then you're gonna go here frames, and at the bottom you scroll down and they are free. These are free. You're gonna find letters. So I'm gonna choose Y, and I'm gonna put it here. So you do this Y, and whatever I put in front of this is, you're gonna see like this sky with a hill and a cloud. That means that you can superimpose pictures on it, and it's gonna take the shape of that letter. So let me show you how that happens. So for example, I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna drag it here, and then I'm gonna move it on top of the letter. You saw that? So let's try again. Let's try another letter. So I'm gonna try B. And then let's try another picture. So I have this, well, let's try this one. And then this picture, I'm gonna hover it over it. And now you can see that the B, the picture is in the shape of the letter B. So I think that's pretty cool. You can have a lot of creativity and a lot of variations with your letters. And you can put something like this. You can put something like this. So there is a lot of creativity. We can bring patterns. You can go here to background, and Canva has some backgrounds that you can use, but you have to also see if they are free. That's why I get most of them on Pixabay. So you can also go here to background, and again, if you messed up like I just did, I can just do undo. Okay, so I just click on here, and I don't know where it went. So I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna drag it the whole way, but it doesn't like to do it. I don't know where it went. It might have gone to the back. Oh, yeah, it went to the back, so I'm gonna bring it to the front. Oh no, this is not it. I don't know where it went. Let me try another one. Oh, it's gone to the background. So that's what it is. So this one it goes to the background. So if I move this, you're gonna see this picture is in the background. So that's why you want to use that for the background. So for example, you're gonna see it here. So this is the background. And if you wanna move it up, it doesn't let you because it's only for the background. But you can go here to Pixabay. Also, you can either use Pixabay, like here, I put the Pixabay website. Like I showed you, you can go and use the website, or you can also use the Pixabay app inside the Canva. So you can go here where it says more. So I'm here, and you're gonna go here, more, and you can choose Pixabay, and you can type anything you like, and something will show up. So for example, I can do this, and now it's not the background, so I can hover over the letter. Let me make it smaller so I have better. There it is. And I can choose this one if I want to, and also put it inside the letter. And then you can resize it. You can resize it, and you can resize this one. So if you don't like these ones, you can just delete them. So to delete them, you can just press delete on your keyboard. Just press delete and delete again, and it goes away. And if you want it back, you just click undo. Or you can also delete here, I believe. No, this is delete page, so don't do it here. So just go, you can maybe right click and also click delete, and it'll go away. But I don't want to delete it because it'll mess up my template. And you can move it to the next page, but unfortunately we cannot print on that. And the same thing, if you want to change your name, you can put change the last name, or you can type and change the title. You can change the phone number, and so have fun doing that. I think that was a lot of fun. If you want to bring your own pictures, you want to go here, upload. So let's do one. So the same thing I did here. This is one that is also done like with texture, with the picture. So I can bring it here, and it'll change. So you can customize it the way. And I got this from Pixabay. You can go here on Pixabay, or is it even Pixels, and put paint. And you're gonna have different version of paint. And all these are free and also copyright free, which is important. You don't wanna use a work of a picture or any design that is not allowed to be copyrighted, because it's as you know, it's a lot of trouble. Photographers take a lot of pride, and they shoot on their pictures. So let's try another one. So there is here in the palette, the one I want to show you is to bring your own picture. So here I have this pool. So maybe you have a picture of a pool that you have maintained, and you're very proud of that, and you want to show everybody how it is. So you can upload a picture of a pool. So let's try one. I don't have a picture of a pool, so I'm gonna look for one. And I'll show you different ways, so you all have a good overview of all these things you can do, but I hope I'm not overwhelming anybody. So do what you can, and if you have any questions, just let me know. So these are a picture. So imagine that's a picture of a pool I maintain. I'm going to get it out Pixabay. You can make an account, and when you log in with your account, you don't get this bot. And then you can go to Canva and upload it. And you find it in the computer. And it's going to upload. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag that picture. This is a frame. I have a frame similar to the frame that we use. So I'm going to show you here on the next page so you can see it. So I'm going to go here, frames. And for example, this frame. And I'm going to put that picture there. And it's going to be inside that frame. I'm going to hover it. You can also put it here and then hover around. It doesn't matter, whatever works your way. And then you can resize it. The interesting thing when you put a picture, what I like I said, what I like mostly of Canva is that they give you a palette. So they have a way to coordinate the colors. So for example, on this picture, you're going to see here when you click the color icon, you're going to see that there is going to be you scroll down, you have to scroll down. There's going to generate, Canva is going to generate a palette based on the color of the pictures. So isn't that awesome? So from there, you can start doing your color coordination of your picture. So this one, on this one that I moved, and I shouldn't have moved, there it is. I can go here. That's why I use the undo all the time. So you click on here, you're gonna see right here, these are the suggestions for color coordination. I got a color coordination from inspiration I had on Instagram and Pinterest. So I got the colors, this color, and then I chose different colors, but then also I can also choose these colors. So it's great. Canva is great to match, coordinate colors. And also because, but you don't know if it really works until it prints. That's the truth. So these are, so if you want to put a text, for example, if this is a text that you want to put, so you go to text, and then you're going to drag it, and then we can change the colors. It's going to give you a suggestion of the color, so we can choose this color and make it bigger and make it bolder so you can see the colors. And then you click out, and if this you don't like it, you can change it again. So maybe more something that pops up, and maybe something like that. So there you can write your name and change it. So if you see one of these in the template that you really like how it's framed, but you don't like the colors, or you add a picture and the colors don't match anymore, use the coordination here on the Canva, and that will save you a lot of work. Also, there is a color palette, Canva color palette, and it's gonna give you a lot of ideas about palette. So you can also look here, and also you can upload an image. For example, this one, and it's gonna give you a different suggestion, and you can copy and put it on your Canva. And I have a lot of windows open. And where did it go? Okay, so I'm gonna go here, all my designs, and I'm gonna click on it, and I couldn't find it. So if you copy here you copy this color, you can go back here and let's try this one. I don't want to change it. You can go here and paste that color, and then you're gonna find it right here. So this is much better, isn't it? It coordinates much better, I think. And see, it's really pretty, the combination, and that color comes from the color palette. And if you don't like that palette, there is a lot more here. Okay, so again, if you want to use this card, you go here, share, and you can send me the link. So I'll show you again. I'm gonna put it on the other window that I have. There it is. So I'm going to share it, and then you're gonna see. So if you have this card and you want to send it to me for printing, just do share. And I'm on the, oh, I'm in the wrong one. 1 second. There it is. I have to do an incognito window so it doesn't get confused. So you're gonna do here, share, and you're gonna send me, make sure it's edit. And I'm not gonna change anything, but just in case I need to align anything or anything else that needs to be happen, just copy link, and then you're gonna put that in an email to me. And if you would like, if you would like to, so you're gonna come here and then you send it to me, and you should have my email on, have received my email. So any questions so far? Yeah, we have gone through a lot, and I hope this has been helpful. If you wanna also be able to, if you would like to get a professional printing, like I said, I'll send you a list of resources for professional printing, but feel free to send it to us so we can print at least 10. And if you need more, you can come to the library and pay whatever it needs to be paid to print in colors. And the ladies and gentlemen at the consumer client services or here the library can help you setting up, but you have to bring your own paper because we only have very limited paper. But if you send me your cards before March 30, let me put the information so I don't tell you something. It's no. Before March 30th, send me your card so we can print it, and you'll pick it up before after April 5th. If you want to also, Canva has its own printing, so you can go here and print business card, and they're gonna print 50 copies for $11, which is not a bad deal if you need that many. And you can choose premium paper or deluxe paper, and what kind of finish. If you want gloss, this one will be nice on gloss. And so for 50 with deluxe paper and gloss paper, it's 30. But so that's also and they will send it to you in a really nice box to your house. So any questions at this moment?